Hey guys, congratulations for finishing this section. I'm absolutely excited. I just wanted to have this message for you guys because things are about to get really interesting. So we are about to get close to the end of the beginner stages of this course. You basically are about to graduate from the beginner of the Python and essentially getting to more intermediate and more complicated subjects such as object-oriented programming and also graphical user interfaces and stuff like that. So it's about to get a lot more interesting. So and moving forward in the next few sections, all we're doing is we're just doing more and more practices. Again, the idea with this is that I want to make sure that you're 100% familiar with everything that we've talked about so far. You're super comfortable with while loops, if and else statements, like variables, functions with inputs, outputs, and all sorts of things that we've talked about, lists and everything we talked about so far. Because again, the idea is to make sure you understand all these important basics before we get into the more complicated subjects. I'm really excited for you, and like again, as I said, you can start feeling it. You're about to be graduated and you're about to get into more complicated Python functions. So it's going to be really exciting, and it's going to be really fun stuff where we get into more really interesting stuff, like where we work with web development applications, stuff like that. It's going to be really fun. So let's continue. Again, as always, I strongly recommend you to practice. Keep on practicing. That's really important. The best way to become a good programmer is to constantly use it. As I said, programming is like a muscle. You need to constantly use it if you want to become a good programmer. So make sure you put it to use, and let's go ahead and do a few more sections of practices to make sure you understand everything, and then we're going to move forward to more intermediate concepts of Python. I'll see you in the next one, guys.